上一回講到，如果你唔用 you should you can，你仲可以用咩方法去俾一啲建議人哋呢？咁好簡單啦，我就已經減肥減咗幾十年嘅啦。你有咩建議俾我？嗱，唔可以講 you can go jogging every day in the morning，因為唔可以用 modal can 或者 should 啊嘛。咁如果 group interaction 嘅時候呢，你可以講 why don't you 啊？Why don't you go jogging every day in the morning？或者你講 you may consider 咯，不過記住 consider 後邊要用四號仔 ing， 即係 present participle 喎。譬如你話 you may consider going jogging every day in the morning。Maybe it's a good idea to 都唔錯嘅。Maybe it's a good idea to eat less in every meal of yours。喂，中四嘅同學仔，如果你仲想知道有咩方法可以 make suggestion 而唔用 modal should 或者 can 呢？你就要溫下書啦，因為 Grammar Test 4就快到啦。你睇下 Grammar Unit 22裏邊仲有好多 expressions 教你點樣可以 make a suggestions without using modal verbs can or should。記住溫書啊！